quicker than expected because there is more wind, so that's why we have to delay a bit our TR and also, as there is more wind than expected, maybe the sea breeze will struggle a bit for bit to build. So this is the two concern.
The sea breeze here, what? So you expect that to be what? 11 to 11?
Yeah, something like that.
So that's 9 UTC.
Yes, just might have a knot in it.
If we get there too early, then it's no good.
Yeah.
If we get there too late, then it's also no good.
Yeah. That's why I wanted first to tack, to be on the, because we have a moment to decide to tack again.
Yeah.
We can still tack again in half an hour or 1 hour.
Sure, if they had been first to tack, we wouldn't have been master of our destiny. But at least now we can always give tough. And we have the shift that the routing sector. You needed the toilet paper to get the J3 halyard out. You needed the toilet paper to get the J3 halyard out.
And I just want
Alarm back.
Eco times is perfectly every time.
Alarm batteries charged.
The oven is on again.
Is charged.
I love this alarm so much.
Alarm batteries charged.
Carol will come out of her bed as a hard-boiled egg.
Sorry?
We are 1 knot faster than Malizia, but 3 degrees lower.
Oh, I thought we were the same angle a second ago.
Huh? So 5 minutes average.
C'est beau la nuit.
What happened to Paprec? So they took away from us last night towards the Albanian coast. At the moment they are doing 5.5 knots of boat speed and in southwest direction. So that's not really ideal, I would say. And we're still going strong with Malizia. There we can see them just behind us. And we're covering their move into the light transition to make sure that they can't gain on us in a different way. So we're entering one light transition zone now and then another transition zone this afternoon or evening. And other than that it's straightforward and upwind up to Boca Bay. But it's interesting, it's 24 hours left, but very interesting with the boats so close to each other and everything can still happen. So we have to stay focused and sharp and it's a final push, but I believe that we can.
And what do you think about the gamble of Paprec? Does it help our game or does it make it more complicated?
Well, I mean, ideally you would want on this last stretch to the finish to stay between your opposition and the mark, which is the finish. But when your opposition starts splitting tacks, then obviously life becomes a bit more complicated. at the same time, I think because we still have so much tricky weather coming up, we need to sail our own race, and we need to follow what we think is the best strategy to get us to the finish line as quick as possible. And for now we think it is heading out this way towards the Italian coast to hopefully pick up some sea breeze there in the afternoon. So that's what we're doing.
Last casino party before arriving?
No, there is 2 more casino parties before the finish. One is in the next few hours, and the next one will be tonight.
Which one is your favorite?
I will tell you the answer tomorrow.